to this presentation about the workflow for a concept generation for a diamond interchange. In this presentation, you will see the highway itself is grade separated from the minor roads, one crossing the other over a bridge. The diamond interchange uses less space than most types of highway interchanges and avoids the interweaving traffic flows that occur in interchanges such as a cloverleaf. Diamond interchanges are most effective in areas where traffic is light and a more expensive interchange type is not needed. So let's start. We've got different kind of types of ramps which we can automatically design. So you can select the primary road, the secondary road. There are some parameters which you can adjust. It will give you an option, so you can accept this. So it's connecting with a ramp and connecting with a stop solution for a intersection. Later on, we will delete the intersection and going to replace it by a roundabout. So let's create the other ramps as well. So you can change the settings. So we're going to accept this one. It looks fine. It's doing all the gradings as well. So now we're going to delete the intersection. We're going to move the alignments. So now we're going to do the other one as well. We're going to place the roundabout. So you see, you can select the different entries. So it will give you a nice roundabout. It looks really good. So now you can go to the other one as well. We're going to first design the ramp. So let's remove the intersection. It's not necessary, but you can easily remove it. So just accept this option again. So it will give another connection, but let's remove it. We can adjust the alignment information. So just to fit it to the right location, we'll remove the intersection, and now we're going to place the roundabout. So really easy, select the different entries, and there you go. So now we're going to place the bridge as well. There are different bridge solutions here available from the library, but basically you're going to replace the road surface by a bridge. So now you have to you can change all the settings. Like here, now we want to check the bridge clearance. So it doesn't look that well, isn't it? It's 2 meters, so let's change the profile. So now we can check the bridge clearance. So let's make it deeper, so now it meets the requirements. And also let's change this curve length. So now you can either change the value, or you can go into the grips and change it graphically by moving the grips, and it will directly influence the 3D model. So now we go to the fix the gradings. This is a really powerful tool in Concept Station. So now you see it's fixing all the gradings for you. So let's move on to the visualization part. That means it's going to open the 3D model in our render engine, which is part of the application. So just open the model. So you see everything is nice, looks good. Even the imagery which comes from Bing Maps, it's draped on the 3D model. Let's place some street lights. So when we go back to our concept generation, our plan. So we can pick from the library different street lights, road signs, etc. So let's pick one. You can choose your reference element. It can be any 3D line basically. Now you're going to you move to the end and set the offset to 0 again. So this is the end. So now you can change the spacing between the street lights by going to the properties and change it instead of 1050. So now you've got the street lights included, which gives you a great effect in the night visualization. So now when we move back, we open again the visualization part. It will update the 3D model automatically for you. So let's include some traffic as well. You've got two options, or you can place random traffic here from the library, or you can export your model into Vism and do the traffic simulation there and import it later on again. But here I'm going to show you how you can select two lane. You can change your lanes and the density, the maximum and minimum speed of your traffic. So it will populate now the traffic. So now we've got traffic. You can include landscape elements like trees and vegetation, flowers. Yeah, from the library, there's a large library available. It's really easy. Just yeah, place them and you can scale them automatically. So some vegetation here. And we can also adjust the location where you are in the world. Like here we are in Dubai. So let's change the sun settings. You can change the weather. And also the wind. So when you go into the wind options, you can see clearly it's pretty windy today. So now we created in 8 minutes from concept station, from concept generation into visualization, a really nice model. Thanks.